is for dinosaur. Well done. Can you make the D sound? It's very short, not duh, duh, do. It's well done. Okay, magic pens ready? Find the dinosaur on your alphabet line. Boing! There he is. Okay, and this is a funny one because we don't start at the top, we don't start at the bottom, we start right there in the middle. So we're going to go left, which is back, left around his back. Oh, then where do I go? Whoop, head to toe. Let's do that once more because that's really tricky. Start in the middle and go left, back, 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 around his tail and up, head to tail or toe. Head to toe. Beautiful. And that is a tall letter. D, d, d. Well done.